किया गया था। मान्यवर, अब रैली का दल आपके समक्ष बाएं ओर से पहुंच रहा है। आपसे विनम्र अनुरोध है कि कृपया मंच पर पधार कर शौर्य विजय यात्रा की फ्लैगिंग सेरेमनी संपन्न करने की कृपा करें। मान्यवर, शौर्य विजय यात्रा के दौरान रैली दल ने विभिन्न युद्ध स्मारकों पर अमर वीरों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित की तथा वहां की पावन मिट्टी को एक कलश में संजोया। यह माटी कलश हमारे वीरों के अदम्य शौर्य, सर्वोच्च बलिदान और राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण का प्रतीक है। अब मैं रैली दल के मित्र
Okay. We are 30 riders from the army, which includes 8 ladies and 2 ex-servicemen also. We are flagged off on 14th of July from New Delhi on the war memorial by the Raksha Mantri, and over the last 14 days we have covered more than 1900 kilometers, traveling across the entire Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, and we have covered major war memorials en route, right from Leh and in Chusul, Rizangla, and now we have come here to the Kargil War Memorial.
So how many kilometers covered till now?
We have covered approximately 1900 kilometers till now.
Sir, what was the main theme behind organizing this bike rally?
Yeah, this bike rally was to honor the martyrs and the brave hearts of the Kargil War of 1999, and also to respect the spirit of the soldiers who fought this war in those difficult times.
My last question, sir. What was your message to the people of Ladakh, and particularly the martyr families? My last question.
My message to the people of Ladakh and the martyr families is that we are a strong nation and we stand one, and especially in times of difficulties, there is nobody who can really stop us from protecting our motherland. It is a honor to be here in this land of the brave hearts. My own coursemate, Captain Amol Kalia from 12 Jacklai Regiment, was martyred during the Kargil War in 1999. And we are privileged today to be standing here and paying our tributes to these war heroes.
And we were bikers from beginning only. Indian Army has been doing bike rallies since ages. And it is a story of adventure. So therefore we thought that we will do all the war memorials from Kargil so that we can pay our homage to the brave hearts of Kargil Vijay Divas, on Kargil Vijay Divas. So it is an honor for us. 30 bikers rode from Delhi, and after a journey of around 1900 kilometers, we have reached to pay our homage to the brave hearts of Kargil. So it's a great honor for me and my team to participate in this rally.
For any message to the nation, to the young future of the nation who actually haven't lived the moment, who have just seen this in the movies and haven't feel actually you have lived the moment. We want to know any message for
As Honorable Raksha Mantri had pointed out, one ride, one nation. Our message as bikers is that complete is one of modern era. And the other thing is that it is a great feeling to come and pay our homage. So people from all walks of life should come to Kargil War Memorial and pay their homage and see for themselves the bravery of the soldiers and the heights which were captured in great adversity. So my only request to the nation is to come and pay their homage to Kargil at Kargil War Memorial. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So a very important theme was collection of soil from all these war
Yes.
memorials, which was finally given to the Raksha Mantri.
It's a very pious thing to do. The soil is, finally we all die, we all go into the soil. So soil represents the soul of the brave hearts, and the National War Memorial and all the war memorials, especially Rezangla, where we all had gone, and where 13 Kumaon has laid their complete company laid down their lives. Then Leh War Memorial, since 1948, laying down their lives. So it's great. It's very difficult to put it in words when you meet someone who's lost their kin, brothers, brothers, fathers. So it's a very, very sad thing. But at the same time, we feel very proud to interact. And Indian Army and the nation has always stood by them in their need. And we are very thankful to the Veer Naris for taking out time to meet us.
On a 19-year-old is watching this video somewhere, what would you say to him or her to motivate to join the armed forces?
I would only say that nation comes first. Service for the nation is paramount.